So in this lesson we're just going to solve equations. So it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to use algebraic techniques to solve an equation, and it should say 4x. No, for a pronumeral. There we go. Okay, let's get started. So this one I'm just going to go quickly because you should be fluent in it. I'm just going to minus 2x on this side. That means I'm going to minus 2x on this side. I'm going to minus 5 from this side to move it to this side, so I'm going to go minus 5. So I'm left with 7x minus 2x, that's 5x. And then I'm left with 20 minus 5, that's 15. Therefore, x equals 3. And that happens because we divide both sides by 5. Okay? Alright, this one's a bit harder. So I want you to pay close attention to this one. Okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is my biggest problem at the moment is the fraction. So I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm going to multiply all this to the... I'm going to send it all to the other side by multiplying it. So I've got 3 minus 3x is equal to 2, 4x plus 1. Okay? So that's just by multiplying both sides by 4x plus 1. You get rid of it there, and then it goes on to this side. Okay? You don't have to show all the working out. I wouldn't. I'll just move it to the other side. Then I'm just going to ski jump the right hand side. So I'm just going to leave the left hand side the same. So I've got 2 times 4, that's 8x. It's a really ugly 8. Plus 2. Okay, and now I'm almost in business. What I want to do is I'm going to plus 3x here, so I can plus 3x here. And I'm going to take away 2, so I get rid of it there. So that means I have to minus 2. That means I've got 11x equals 1. Okay. Now, I get a bit annoyed with that. I want the x on the left-hand side and the answer on the right-hand side. So I'm going to go therefore, not therefore yet. I'm going to give myself space. 11x equals 1. Therefore, x equals 1 over 11. Okay? So this is just manipulating things a little bit. If you've got questions of this, I'm happy to do heaps of them on the board. Okay. Now we've got to change the subject to x. So we want something as x equals. Okay? So the first thing, I have to move everything away from x. So I'm going to add 2 on here. So I'm going to add 2. So I've got 3x is equal to y plus 2. Now, therefore, I can go straight to the answer. X equals y plus 2 divided by, remember fractions divided by 3. So I've divided both sides by 3. Okay? Once again, you don't have to show all that working out. I'm just showing you why. This next one's interesting. What I have to do is almost what I did here in this one. So I'm going to multiply the left-hand side by x plus 1. I'm not going to show all my working out. I'm just going to do it as I would. So I'm just going to go y x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. Alright. Now I'm going to ski jump the left-hand side. So I've got xy plus y equals x plus 2. Now the thing is, I want to make x the subject, so I'm going to move everything that's x to this side and everything else to this side. So I'm going to take away y here, so I can put it on this side, so minus y, and I'm going to take away the 1x here, so I have to put it over here. So what I'm left with is xy minus x is equal to 2 minus y, which is the only thing that was left on this side. I'm almost there. I just want to make x the subject. So I'm going to give myself space once again. What I need to do is I need to get 1x. The situation is that I have 2. Now here we use a technique, like I want you to always think of this when you've got 2 of the same pronumerals that you want to factorise it out. So I'm going to factorise out the left hand side. I'm going to take x, and I've got y minus 1 is equal to 2 minus y. I'm going to rewrite this line up there so you can see it. So I've got xy minus x is equal to 2 minus y. And now it's pretty easy. I'm going to divide both sides by y minus 1. So therefore x equals 2 minus y over y minus 1. And that's our answer. And we get that. I'm going to show you how. Y minus 1. Cross that out. Y minus 1. Okay. Hopefully this makes sense. Alright. So if not, there's plenty of time to ask questions. See how you go. Peace out.